Then, yeah, so we can probably go ahead and save that, and then we're going to do, click up here, new file. This, we're making the plugin YML now, plugin.yml. So we're going to do name, and it's going to be block notify version 0.1, and then main is, the main is the package right here. So it's going to be, we're going to copy that, and then you're going to do a block, and you're going to, right here, this is going to be what your main method is. So mine is block notify, so mine's going to be block notify again. And then we're going to do permissions 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's how YMLs are. Like if you do 5, you can see that little line right there. But so it's 4 spaces, but do not tab, because YMLs hate tabbing. They just do. Saying that's all old stuff. These are my coding notes that I made. And then our thing is block notify dot notify. So it's block notify dot notify colon. That you gotta make sure you start at the very beginning of the line, so you just got a backspace. And then it's gonna be description, or do notifies player of breaking of block, not breaking, and then it's gonna be default. See, make sure you get a backspace, and then it's gonna be default. For true is by default it'll do whoever has this permission, it'll send it to. If it's false, it won't. And if you're an op, if you are an op on the server, it'll give you this permission and it'll send you. So let's just do op. Actually, let's do true. Alright, and make sure there's another line space there and backspace, because YML is like that. And then you're gonna click on here and click F5, or you can right click and go down to refresh. Then you're gonna do block, right click, export, jar file. I don't really like those. No really need for them. Make sure you're clicking on this plugin, notify, and then let's just do browse, and then let's go to plugin testing server plugins, and then save, and then finish. Okay, so let's go ahead and run, and if we go see block notify has been enabled, so our plugin has successfully been enabled. And then we're gonna have to go into my permissions, and then world, groups. I think I'm an admin. Yeah, no, I'm a moderator. My own server, I'm a moderator. I can pretty much make myself an admin. Alright, go ahead and open up Minecraft. And once I'm logged in on the server, I will see 1.1 right here, little thing. Languages, English. I'll be right back once we are in the server. Alright guys, I'm sad to say that I recorded twice now finishing up this plugin, but it got stuck in Minecraft because I forgot to close it, so it's my fault. I will go over what I did in this plugin and what did I do there. But I'll say what I did in this plugin and how I finished it and how I did everything. So I think we got to where you break a block. We already did that. So if you don't remember, if you get the player name, you get the block, and they set get the name of the player, and they set their name. So if the block that type equals diamond ore that they break, then it'll get this message. Make sure that the player is actually online and it is a player. That'll do. If the player is online, has a permission, block notify. It'll send the message up here to the person with permission. And then right here is on block place. So a person, excuse me, if a person places like TNT or lava like I have down here, it will notify them that a person has placed a block. So it'll do the same thing up here. It'll make sure that the block that is placed is lava, and it'll get this message, make sure they're online, that it's actually a person and they have the permission. It will send them the message. But down here it's different. It makes sure that the block is TNT, but it also makes sure that the player has the other permission, block notify.allow.tnt equals false. So if they don't have the permission, that allows them to place TNT, it will get this message. It'll send them this message, but it'll actually set the TNT block that they placed to a yellow flower to make them mad and make them happy at the same time. And then it'll make sure the player is actually online, make sure they have the permission, block notify, and then send them the message. So yeah, and then the plugin will be the same thing as above. This right here. Make sure this is false, so if they don't have this, then it'll send the person with the allow thing, the message. So let's go on to Minecraft. Oh, boy. Plugin testing server, run. You see that it actually enabled. I'm really sorry guys about this. I will post my code into Pastebin and send y'all the link to it. Yeah, so you can see that I was messing around from earlier. Make sure that diamond still works. And so if you so I placed a lava bucket, okay? And nothing popped up because if I set it to lava bucket, it won't do anything because you cannot actually place a lava bucket. You can only use a lava bucket. But if I place lava, it'll do. And then for TNT, flower, bye-bye. But yeah, but the one problem with this that I do not know how to fix is if you have like this, if you have redstone torches or powered redstone, you place TNT next to it, it'll still ignite it. So yeah. So if you like the tutorial, like the video, comment, tell me what I did good, and tell me how I can improve, because it helped me and you in the long run. Subscribe, it'll motivate me to do more videos, make me happy as well. And then yeah, make sure that check the description for the link to Craft Bukkit, latest build, and then also for the link to Pastebin with all of my all of my source code of my plugin. So thanks guys, and peace.